You eating lunch? What's in your mouth?
Bread.
Yeah. Too much bread, maybe? Yeah, chew it. Do you need to take a sip of water? That's too much bread. Pickle seed. Yep, that's what happens when you try to eat one slice of bread whole. Still chewing. Did you eat enough? Yeah. You want to go over to Cooper's and see if they have any cookies? I think they're making Christmas cookies.
Christmas cookies?
Yeah. You want to go see them? Okay. Let's clean up a little. You ready to go? Okay. Goodbye. Still chewing? No, yeah, we will go together. I'm just meaning like say bye to this movie. Okay? Okay. Bye.